guys, today I'm gonna make an exploding volcano. But you need an adult to help you so that it won't be too messy. So I'm asking my mom to help me.
Hi!
These are the stuff that we need. We need a paper mache volcano, a funnel, some baking powder, food coloring, some
Liquid detergent.
liquid detergent, and
Vinegar.
First, we need to pour half of baking powder. And we can use the funnel. After putting baking powder, it's time to put some liquid detergent.
1, 2.
Now it's time to pour the food coloring to make some color. Time to pour the vinegar. It's so cool.
It's so cool.
You can add some more vinegar so that it will explode more.
Hey! Wow! More, baby, more. Wow!
I think it will explode for hours. Thanks for watching Isabel's Cutie. Remember to subscribe and like my video. Bye!